am going to show you how to make our catapults today. We've got 6 rubber bands. We've got 8 popsicle sticks, 1 spoon, and a cotton ball to throw. So we're going to start with our 6 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We stack them up all together. And we're going to put rubber band on one side. And we're going to put rubber band on the other side. So that both sides are being held together. We're going to take the 2 colored sticks. We're going to put 1 rubber band on the end. I'm going to wrap it lots of times. Make sure it'll hold in place really good. And I am going to take this and open it like an alligator's mouth. Put this in the middle, as far as I can go. Then we're going to wrap it around the middle with an X. This kind of makes an X to hold it in place. I'm going to move it down a little bit. So I need to move it over so it's in the middle. There. All right, now I can put on my spoon as my lever. It's a catapult, so it's a type of lever. I'm going to rubber band the spoon on. There we go. The top. Now I'm going to do the bottom to help hold it down. This is the fulcrum, or the point holds the lever down. Make sure that my spoon is held in place. Alright, and there we go. I have my catapult, and I can use it to launch my cotton ball.